Hi, I'm Dina Stone.
And I'm Aaron Stone. It was July 2nd at 2:45 p.m. and all of a sudden I was standing in the kitchen, got really hot. My head started hurting really bad, and I told my wife Dina, "Hey, I think something's wrong," and I sat down, and she got me a glass of water, and I said, "I think I'm having a stroke," and she said, I don't know. Stick your tongue out, smile, and do all the motions to see if I am," and nothing was wrong. A few days went by. I stayed at home. July 6th, we went to the emergency room, and they asked me a question, what happened. I told them when my headache was, and I knew the exact time, and he said that doesn't seem right because headaches are not immediate. So he did a CT, and whoever reviews the CT saw something, and they want to do it with contrast. And when they did that, they saw the brain bleed. And then I was transferred to the hospital and ICU, and was there for 12 days and met Dr. B and saved my life. I remember the day we met Dr. B. He was joking. He was very funny. He was very personable. He seemed like an old friend. It's like I knew him my whole life. Told me everything was going to be okay. That we were going to try and fix this, and if he couldn't, then his other doctor, what was his name?
Dr. Smith.
Was going to fix it. I didn't want Dr. Smith to fix it because he was going to have to cut my head open. I didn't want that. So we went into he went in, fixed it, put a coil, and all the other angiograms after that. When I go into the emergency room or go to his operating room, it's fun. We listen to 90s hip hop. I can hear it. I can talk to him. It's just like hanging out with a friend. He's a good guy.
No, I think part of what makes Dr. B such a special provider is that, like Aaron said, he's like a friend. He took the time to explain things to us. He joked with us. He drew pictures for us so that we understood, in layman's terms, exactly what was going to happen, how he was going to go in and fix this, and he, in a matter of moments, made us trust him. We're trusting him with my husband's life, and he was able to do that very, very effortlessly. We were able to go, I trust this man to fix a bleed in my husband's brain, and in a matter of moments. And ever since then, we were right. We enjoyed we look forward to, even though we don't like the procedures, but we do look forward to seeing Dr. B when we have to go in, just because he remembers us. That was a very challenging time in our life. I was just coming off of chemo for breast cancer, and I was bald at the moment. And it was just very, very chaotic. We've got kids, and we've got family, and we've got jobs, and here comes this aneurysm out of nowhere that nobody was expecting. And for him to just take us in and remember things. He always asks me how I'm feeling, where I'm at with my treatments. He always remembers everything with Aaron. He called us the weekend Aaron got out of the hospital and was like, "So how's he doing? Is he taking it easy?" And we're like, "No, he's in the backyard cooking," because that's what he does.
We've kind of bonded over that. He likes to smoke brisket and meat and all that.
So he's like, "Bring me some food. What are we eating?" I'm like, fajitas, But he's always, we feel like he's his only patient, even though I know he's probably got hundreds, if not thousands of patients. But every time we talk to him, it's like, it's just us to just take you in and give you everything and ease your nerves. Makes it so much better. It could have been so different, and we're thankful that we had Dr. B.
I'd like to thank you, Dr. B, for saving my life. And, you've been the best doctor. I couldn't ask for anything better.